The government remains consistent with its priority to participate in efforts in soothing tensions in the Middle East. Meanwhile, the defense chief fires back to what he called China's new type of deception regarding the West Philippine Sea. Patrick De Jesus has more in this report.
For Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr., the country is learning important lessons from the ongoing tensions in the Middle East. This underscores the need to strengthen defense and the importance of the modernization program for the armed forces of the Philippines. Among those that should be prioritized is the acquisition of additional anti-missile systems. He also said a larger petroleum reserve is needed due to the ongoing global oil crisis caused by tensions.
It's all a question of national resilience and national defense. Kaya siniseryoso dapat natin, hindi lip service lamang yung modernization. No? Kaya pinag-aaralan natin mabuti ang supply chain ng ating mga acquisitions.
The Secretary also admitted that the Philippines has no capability for now to assist in escorting ships through the Strait of Hormuz, which is controlled by Iran. This is related to the call of U.S. President Donald Trump for various countries to help provide security in the Strait of Hormuz, a key waterway for tankers transporting a large portion of the world's crude oil supply. Despite this, the government is ready to take part in all efforts to de-escalate tensions.
Nalalagay sa panganib yung Filipino seafarers natin at saka yung mga OFW natin. Lahat ng moves na ma-de-escalate ito, lalo na yung mga indiscriminate na attack, hindi dapat sana mapara agad. No?
Secondly, international trade. Yung ating fuel supply, fertilizer supply.
Teodoro also pushed back against what he described as a new form of disinformation by China regarding the West Philippine Sea. This follows the release by the Chinese Embassy of a 1990 letter from former Philippine Ambassador Bienvenido Tan, stating that Scarborough Shoal is not covered by Philippine territorial sovereignty under the Treaty of Paris of 1898. According to Teodoro, China is now using all means to spread misinformation targeting Filipinos.
That letter is not binding at all, no? Yan ang problema sa China. Lahat ng pagsisinungaling ginagawa nila.
Hindi ito makabatas, ano? Kaya nga lahat ng klase ng pag-iimbento ginagawa na nila. Kasi ito ay internal political effort nila, extension of the internal political effort.
The Department of Foreign Affairs has also maintained that China's claim over Scarborough Shoal and other parts of the West Philippine Sea has no basis in history and international law. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.